Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a topic that we all deal with: laundry hassles. Yes, those never-ending piles of clothes, the struggles of getting that perfect wash, and the precious time lost. But guess what? We have a game changer for you: the magic of fully automatic washing machines. Get ready to bid adieu to those laundry woes as we explore the world of hassle-free laundry with these incredible appliances. We've all been there, sorting clothes, measuring detergent, figuring out wash cycles, and, let's not forget, the untangling of clothes after the wash. It's time to leave those days behind and step into a world where laundry is a breeze. Benefits of fully automatic washing machines. So, what makes fully automatic washing machines so magical? Let's break it down. 1. Time-saving efficiency. With a fully automatic washing machine, all you need to do is load your clothes, select the cycle, and press start. No more babysitting the machine or wasting time on multiple cycles. It's like having your laundry fairy. 1. Customized care. These machines are not just about convenience. They're about caring for your clothes. Many models come with sensors that adjust the wash cycle based on the load and fabric type. Your clothes get the perfect treatment every time. 1. Multiple wash options. Whether it's a quick wash for lightly soiled clothes or a heavy-duty cycle for stubborn stains, these machines offer a variety of wash options. You're in control, and your clothes come out looking pristine. 1. Space and energy savings. Fully automatic washing machines are compact and efficient. They use less water and energy compared to traditional machines, making them eco-friendly and wallet-friendly. 1. Quiet operation. And the best part? These machines are quiet. No more disruptive noise while you catch up on your favorite show or have a phone call. I used to dread laundry day, but with my fully automatic washing machine, it's become so simple. I just load it and forget it. I was amazed at how my delicate clothes came out looking brand new. The machine knew exactly what to do. Choosing the right fully automatic washing machine. Now, how do you choose the right one for you? Consider factors like load capacity, energy efficiency, and special features like steam cleaning or allergen cycles. Make sure it suits your lifestyle. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the magic of fully automatic washing machines. Say goodbye to laundry hassles and hello to a simpler, more efficient way of doing laundry. If you're ready to transform your laundry routine, don't forget to check out the link in the description for more information and recommendations. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more life-changing tips and